Welcome to IDD-Parts, your partner for spare parts used in the maintenance and after-sales service of overhead sectional doors and docks. We know how much it's difficult to find the right parts among a multitude of brands and models. Leave it to us. We have a solution. At IDD-Parts, you can find all the parts you need in record time. This is achievable thanks to a unique supplier specialized in your trade. We simplify your supply. With our large catalog, we offer a wide range of products. From springs to door panels to overhead door hardware and everything one might need for docks. If you need it, we have it. We are developing tailor-made products as well as a range of multi-purpose products and solutions to simplify your maintenance work. We ensure fast deliveries. We are quick to react and guarantee an optimal response time. At IDD-Parts, we believe in quality. Our springs and panels are assembled in our local facilities following stringent standards. Each step of our process is meticulously supervised to guarantee reliable and durable products. We take great care in inspecting each and every parcel before it leaves our warehouse to ensure you receive exactly what you ordered. Our packaging is built to protect your valuable spares during transit. Your satisfaction is our priority. Our team of experts is there to guide you with technical advice. We strive for your success. At IDD-Parts, diversity is our strength. We offer you a wide range of products and brands, all through a one-stop shop. Our door panels are manufactured in our Germany-based factories, guaranteeing you compatible products of superior quality at the best price to meet your specific needs. Our online shop offers you reactiveness and complete autonomy. Place orders whenever you need, wherever you are. More than just a supplier, IDD-Parts is your trusted supply partner for spare parts used in the maintenance and after-sales service of overhead sectional doors and docks. Simplify, optimize, succeed with IDD-Parts.